this one.
I hope you like it.
Who's it from?
Me. But Mama bought it.
Oh, a purple little pillow pet.
It's a pillow pet.
Oh,
It's little.
it's a little one. Oh, Lily, that's cute.
It's gonna be my unicorn's baby.
Oh.
Lily, honey, that's from Maggie. What do you say?
Thank you, Maggie.
Wow, Maggie, good job.
Yeah, it's purple, huh?
It's even a ladybug.
Yeah, that's cute.
What is it? That's what you wanted, honey.
What
Is that from Santa?
I didn't know you wanted that.
You didn't?
She
No.
told me.
She didn't tell Mommy.
What is it? What is it? Who's that?
She likes him. He's a singer.
They come out with like hundreds of different